Hey, it's 4th of July. Let's make some Chicago dogs. There's nothing more iconic than hot dogs and 4th of July. A few years ago, I was able to go to Portillo's in Chicago, and I fell in love with Chicago dogs. It's one of the best things I've ever had, and so we're gonna replicate that today. What do we need for a Chicago dog? A poppy seed bun. Some chopped onions. I like to go with 2 slices of tomato. Just your plain, regular yellow mustard. Neon green sweet relish. Celery salt. These little peppers that I can never remember the name of. And you gotta throw in a kosher dill spear. And you always need a bun-sized beef hot dog. And today I'm gonna try out this Slot Dog hot dog slicing tool. I think I ordered this off of Amazon when I had one too many. We're just going to one of these today. I think we're just supposed to use these grates and press down on the dog. Give it a shot. Okay, it stuck to it. All right, let's do the other side. All right, different. Okay, as you see, it kind of gave those hot dogs some score marks. So let's throw this dog on the grill. I think we're getting real close. Those score marks are cool looking. There we go. Let's get some char on that thing. Okay, let's build us a dog. Gotta go with our poppy seed bun. Ooh, that's hot. Our yellow mustard. Let's go in with our tomato slices. Gotta get that in on the side. How are we gonna do this? Let's see, there we go. Just like that. And the other one will go on this side. Now you don't have to do onions, but I think it adds a phenomenal contrast and adds to the sweetness and just the overall texture of the dog. Next we'll come in with that Chicago sweet relish. No Chicago dog is complete without a pickle spear. We're gonna put that just like so. Let's add our little peppers. I like to do 2. Last but not least, we're gonna top it off with some celery salt. All right, folks, the moment I've been waiting for. Here we go. Oh yeah. Let's see, we need some pickle, so let's go on this side. Happy 4th of July. There's nothing better than a Chicago dog. And it's so easy to cook. Just try it. Just follow this whole thing, do the video, like, subscribe, and smash that bell. When you smash that bell, it's gonna let you know when we upload new content. And who wants to miss a Chicago dog on the 4th of July? I mean, really? Come on. Hey, we'll see you next time.